How to delete pins on Pinterest. Hello, digital friends. If you have published pins that you want to delete on Pinterest, follow this short video. Besides your published pins, I'll show you how to delete the pins you've saved to your profile as well. So, let's get started. Open the Pinterest app and go to your profile page. On your profile, you'll find all the pins you've published or saved from other profiles. I will first delete a pin that I created. My published pin is this picture of the sea. To delete your pin, long tap on it. Do not remove your finger from the screen, instead, slide it toward the pencil icon. Then release your finger. Next to the edit options for the pin, you'll find the delete button in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on this button here. Confirm by clicking on delete. And your pin has been deleted. We received a confirmation notification. To delete a pin that you saved from other profiles to your profile, repeat the process. Here, notice that the delete option is labeled differently. There is no button in the lower left corner. Instead, you need to click on delete this pin. Confirm the deletion, and that's it. This pin has been successfully deleted. Did we help you with this tutorial? If we did, subscribe to our channel and recommend us to your friends.